Tutorial 17, Enhancing Document Efficiency with Word Macros and SharePoint Properties. In Tutorial 17, we delve into two powerful features within the Microsoft Office suite that can significantly boost your document management and productivity. The first part of our tutorial walks you through the creation and utilization of macros in Microsoft Word. Macros serve as your virtual assistant, automating repetitive tasks with just a single click. Whether it's formatting sections, inserting objects, or streamlining your workflow, macros can save you valuable time and effort. Our step-by-step guide ensures you grasp the basics of recording, running, and editing macros, empowering you to tailor Word to your specific needs. The second segment of this tutorial focuses on managing SharePoint document properties using Microsoft Office applications. We guide you through the seamless integration of SharePoint within Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, providing insights into accessing and editing document metadata. Learn how to navigate the SharePoint group in the ribbon, View and Modify Document Properties, and collaborate effortlessly within a SharePoint environment. This tutorial equips you with the skills to update document details, save changes to SharePoint, and leverage version history for comprehensive document tracking. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to these features, Tutorial 17 promises to enhance your proficiency in leveraging Microsoft Office for efficient document handling. The process of creating and using macros in Microsoft Word. Macros in Microsoft Word. What is a macro? A macro is a series of recorded commands that can be executed with a single click. In Word, macros help automate repetitive tasks by recording a sequence of actions and then playing them back. Viewing macros. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Look for the Macros group. Record a macro. Click on Macros and select Record Macro. Choose a name for your macro. Optionally, assign a shortcut key for quick execution. Choose where to store the macro, in this document or in the normal template. Click OK to start recording. Record actions. Perform the actions you want to record, e.g., formatting, typing, inserting objects. Every action is recorded in the macro. Stop recording. After completing the actions, go back to the View tab. Click on Macros and select Stop Recording. Run a macro. To execute a macro, go to the View tab, click on Macros, and select View Macros. Choose the macro you want to run and click Run. Editing macros. To edit a macro, go to Macros, View Macros, Macros Edit. You can modify the recorded actions. Additional tips. You can create a button on the ribbon for easy access to your macros. Macros can save a lot of time, especially for repetitive tasks. Example scenario. Let's say you frequently format a specific section of your document. You can record a macro to apply the formatting with a single click. Important note. Be cautious when running macros from untrusted sources, as they can potentially harm your computer. Ensure that macros are only enabled in documents from trusted sources. This is a simplified overview. Depending on your specific needs, you may encounter additional features and options. If you have any specific questions or if there's a particular task you'd like help creating a macro for, feel free to provide more details. Managing SharePoint document properties in Microsoft Office. Objective. This tutorial aims to guide users through the process of accessing and managing SharePoint document properties using Microsoft Office applications. Steps: 1. Open Microsoft Office application. Launch the Microsoft Office application where you want to work with SharePoint documents, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. 2. Accessing SharePoint group in the ribbon. Navigate to the View tab in the ribbon at the top of the application. 3. Locate the SharePoint group. Within the View tab, look for the SharePoint group. This group contains features related to SharePoint integration. For SharePoint document properties, click on the Properties option within the SharePoint group. This will open a panel or dialog box that displays document properties associated with SharePoint. 5. Viewing and editing properties. In the Properties panel, you can view and edit various metadata associated with the SharePoint document. This may include information such as title, author, date created, and custom metadata fields. 6. Updating document properties. Make changes to the document properties as needed. This could involve updating information or filling in additional details. 7. Save changes to SharePoint. Once you've made the necessary changes, ensure to save the document. This action updates the document properties in SharePoint. 8. Collaborating with SharePoint. SharePoint integration allows for seamless collaboration. Any changes made to document properties are reflected for all users accessing the document through SharePoint. 9. Version history. SharePoint maintains version history, so you can track changes made to document properties over time. This is useful for auditing and reviewing document modifications. 10. Closing the SharePoint properties. Close the SharePoint Properties panel or dialog box when you've finished managing the document properties. Note: ensure that you have the necessary permissions to edit document properties in SharePoint. If you encounter any issues, consult with your SharePoint administrator. This tutorial provides a general overview, and the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the version of Microsoft Office and SharePoint you are using. Always refer to the specific software version's documentation for detailed instructions. In conclusion, mastering the art of Word macros and SharePoint document properties empowers you to work smarter, not harder, in the Microsoft Office environment. As you implement these techniques, you'll witness a significant reduction in repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the core aspects of your work. The automation capabilities of macros and the collaborative features of SharePoint seamlessly integrate to provide a comprehensive solution for document creation, management, and collaboration. Stay tuned for more tutorials that unravel the potential of Microsoft Office, helping you unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity in your daily workflow.